Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2020 Hino 155 crew cab. It is a 14.5 GVW truck. Before we jump into that, want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new product on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring our trucks in from our customers' trade-ins, which this one came from, or from our leasing department. We do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, brakes, lift gates. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a test drive, QC, clean up, get them online for our customers. As we said, this is a really nice 2020 Hino 155 crew cab, which right now is a pretty rare item to find. This truck has had the engine oil filter. This truck has had the engine oil filter, fuel filter, and air filter done. And it still has some remaining extended warranty from Hino on the truck. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb up into the truck, really easy to get into. We've got a suspension driver's seat, two-person bench in the front. We got a four-person bench in the back that we'll look at here in a minute. So you can have a crew of 7 in this truck. We've got that great outward visibility and the upward visibility, with this being a low cab Ford and not having a hood on it like a conventional truck. We've got cruise control, AM, FM radio, air conditioning, and this truck does have powered and heated large mirrors on the doors. So you guys can adjust the large mirrors from the doors from the driver's seat, which is a really nice safety option. And even though this is a landscape crew cab 2020 year model, it was well taken care of, and you can see it cleaned up really nice. Be a nice, safe, clean truck for you guys to get in and start making you money. Let's take a look at the rear bench real quick. As we said, you can put 4 guys back here legally with seat belts, giving you a crew of 7 to run down the road, get your landscape stuff done. A lot of people still aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. We have a really nice 16-foot aluminum van body that's in really good shape. This was a Metroplex truck, so it doesn't have any rust on it. This is a split dovetail system. That's why I left one of them up. You can put both down, one either side up, whatever you're loading. We've put some new springs on the back here, so everything works as it should on the back. We've got a nice 16-foot, 85 tall, 96 wide van body. It's got the aluminum or the plywood all the way around it, so it kind of gives you a blank canvas where you want to put your weed eater racks, blower racks, fuel jugs, extra shelving, whatever you might want to put in here. Here at Industrial Power, a lot of people know us mainly just for delivery type trucks, but we are starting to get some more of the vocational type trucks, and also like this crew cab. And even though this truck is in really nice shape, we can still wrap this body in the cab if you'd like, with your name, your graphics, your design, and phone number, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're out on the road or sitting at the job site. Again, we've got a really nice 2020 Hino 155. Factory extended warranty still remaining on this truck. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified. Stick with us for a second. We're going to start the truck up and give you a little more intimate walk around of it while it's running. And as always, we do appreciate your time.